Hey guys, Angelique here. In today's video, I will be covering how to get started with affiliate marketing and how to actually make money with it. Now before I jump in, I just wanted to let you guys know about the free workshop I have going on at the moment where I cover all fun ways to make money online. So if you're interested, make sure you check out the link in my description to find out more about what the workshop entails. So if you don't know what exactly affiliate marketing is, make sure you check out my video, What is Affiliate Marketing, to find out more about what exactly affiliate marketing is and what it entails. In short, affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products and making commission on any sale that you convert. So as a business and as a brand, you could essentially promote the products you already love using in your day-to-day. Now for me as a career marketer, some of the products that I may feel like I want to become an affiliate marketer for are my day-to-day essentials as a freelancer. So things like tripods, my camera, my keyboard stand, my laptop stand, all of these different things function as things I'd probably want to promote to my audience in case they ever ask. And even though I'd promote them anyway, it'd be even greater if you could earn a commission off of that. So basically that's what affiliate marketing is basically promoting products you already use in your day-to-day, products that you already love, softwares, courses, programs that you already love, and making a commission off of that. So how exactly do you get started? Basically, you'll want to start thinking about the products and services and programs that you already love using. The easiest way to find out if a brand has an affiliate marketing program is to type directly into Google the brand name. So say, for example, I'm looking up Kajabi affiliate program. Oftentimes you'll find in the very first search details about the brand in their affiliate program with details on the percentage of commissions you make in regards to the sale, while also learning the information on how to apply. So I think that's the easiest way to get started, is to already start promoting the products you cannot live without. So a lot of times as a career marketer, the softwares I recommend to my clients, I go through an affiliate link so then I make commission. Some really good programs have lifetime commission, so that's always a benefit. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long term. So say, for example, you drive a sale in March, you probably won't get your payout till 2-3 months after. This allows the brand to cover any returns or refunds before they pay out commission to its affiliates. Another way to get started is through affiliate networks. So when it comes to affiliate network sites, the best thing is that big name brands probably have an affiliate with an affiliate network. So brands like Target, Walmart, big brands like that probably have a relationship with one of the affiliate networks that I'm going to be explaining. Moreover, you'll also be able to find specific programs or courses if you resonate with them, and also drive affiliate marketing sales to those. So affiliate networks are probably one of the best ways to start making money with affiliate marketing. Essentially what an affiliate network does is they have a network of people like influencers and affiliate marketers, and also a network of businesses, brands, agencies that also partner with them. So big brands don't have to put time and energy into micromanaging influencers that they may have partnerships with. So affiliate networks take away that purpose and connect the two, affiliate marketers and influencers, to big businesses, brands, and softwares and services, and connect them. Share a Sale is one of the top known affiliate marketing websites, and basically what they do is serve as the medium between the influencer and the brand. Another one is Reward Style, and that's also very well known as Like to Know It. Basically Reward Style owns Like to Know It, and if you link something like a t-shirt or pants or something specific like a lamp, you can essentially link those products in apps like to Know It, which is owned by Reward Style, and make commission off specific products you already use in your day-to-day. Similarly, there is another affiliate network called ClickBank that also has its own network of brands, services, programs, pretty much anything you name it, you can find on one of these affiliate marketing websites. Now, there are tons of affiliate networks out there. Those are the top 3 that I'm most familiar with, so that's why I'm mentioning those 3. But essentially, there are so many networks out there. You just need to find the networks that are associated with the products and programs and services you want to be affiliated with. You can have affiliate accounts with all of them and test out which one you feel like resonates with your brand and what exactly you want to be an affiliate marketer for. That is affiliate networks in a short summary. So now that you know a little bit more about affiliate marketing and the networks associated with affiliate marketing, you're probably wondering, how do you actually make money. So obviously the money you make will increase with the amount your audience grows. So if you're starting off with 0 followers, odds are you probably won't be making a lot of affiliate marketing commissions. Over time, if you're consistent with the content you share, the videos you share, the posts you share, your audience will increase, and in turn you'll also have more opportunity to make impactful videos or content that have things like your affiliate marketing links. When it comes to affiliate marketing, I think a good rule of thumb is to only promote products and services and programs that you have actually experienced yourself and actually love using. I think a big thing with me and the affiliate commissions that I've made is the fact that I trust some of the programs and softwares that I share across my website, across my YouTube videos, because without them, my business wouldn't be existent, you know? So I always talk about programs and softwares and hardware that I use, such as my camera, because I truly believe in them and I have experience using them. I would probably promote these softwares and services and devices even if I wasn't making an affiliate commission on them, because they are so impactful on my day-to-day life. So I think if you're promoting a product and want to be an affiliate marketer for that product, make sure you use it in your day-to-day. It's something you can't live without, but also be honest with your reviews. That's how your audience starts to trust you, because it allows them to really understand, oh, this person, yeah, they earn a commission off of this, but they're also being really honest of a review. So if you have these like glasses and they're super flimsy, if people ask where you get your glasses from, you'll share your link with your affiliate, but also be honest and be like, I love these glasses, they look good, but they are a little flimsy, and you know, that's okay. I like how they look. Being honest with your review, not sugarcoating anything, I think that is so critical. Secondly, another way to start making money with affiliate marketing is to start creating content that drives traffic directly to your affiliate links. So say, for example, you're a YouTuber, one of the contents you might want to create is Amazon must-haves. Essentially, that will drive traffic directly to Amazon, and in turn, you'll also be able to make a commission off of that. I think that's probably one of the best ways, is creating content around your affiliate links. So a big one for me is, as a career marketer, softwares and services are probably what my business thrives on. Things like Kajabi, Try Interact, Flowdesk, Xero, TransferWise, those are all softwares and services that my business genuinely cannot live without. So if you go to my website, mvmedialab.com, you will actually find a list of tools that have my affiliate links, but they're also tried and proven by me, because I know how impactful it is for a small business to have softwares and tools that actually make business automation so much easier. And the third thing, especially if you're just getting started, I think the #1 thing you should prioritize is building your audience. Essentially, what you want to do is build trust with your followers, your subscribers, because that's how they in turn will trust you to make recommendations. If you start your channel or your blog or anything just going super hard in sales, promote this, love this, click my affiliate link here, a lot of people might be turned off by that. So the thing is, you want to build your brand, you want to build your brand personality, get to know the tone of voice you want to be known as. Once your audience slowly starts to grow, people start getting used to your way of communicating and creating content, the more they'll be likely to actually click on your affiliate links, because at that point you've already built trust with them. And the fourth thing is to mention your affiliate links through all your pieces of content everywhere. So that could be Instagram, YouTube, your blog, because you can't assume everyone will watch every single one of your videos or read every single one of your blog posts. So if you're constantly promoting different products within videos, across different blog posts, on your Instagram stories, this allows you to expand your reach immensely, because not every single person will be watching or reading all of your content. So if you consistently promote different things across different videos and blog posts and Instagram posts, the more likely it will convert, because you're reaching a wider audience. So that's basically a brief overview of how to get started with affiliate marketing and how to actually make money with affiliate marketing. There are so many networks you can choose from, and there are so many products, softwares, and programs that already exist there that you can make a commission off. Essentially, the beauty is that I think a lot of people going into business often think that suddenly they're pressed with all this pressure where they feel like they have to make all of these programs and courses and services and softwares to match their competitors. But in reality, you can make a substantial amount of income from affiliate marketing. And if you partner with the right brands, use the right networks, and also build that trust with your audience so that they use your affiliate links and in turn you make commission off of. So with affiliate marketing, there is so much potential. I think the biggest thing is to do your due diligence and do your research to find which softwares, programs, products, and services that you already use in your day-to-day have affiliate programs. Type that into search and then you'll find so many different ideas of how to use affiliate marketing in your day-to-day content without sounding too salesy. So that is basically it. Again, I know I mentioned it in the beginning of the video, but if you are interested in ways to make money online, make sure you check out the free workshop I have linked in my description, basically covering new fun ways to make money online with affiliate marketing. So I hope this video helps. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!